Wow. Pretty big flakes. February 13th, 2014. About 2 inches of snow on the ground so far. Big, big flakes. Supposed to change to rain later, make a big slushy mess. Well, no ballooning, that's for sure. Whew. You rarely see flakes this size. The table. Well, maybe in a month or so things will start to come up from there. Pretty good snowfall here in Connecticut. Stay warm, everybody.